Get ready with me for Coachella Day 1. Na yun guys, the day has come. Stupid! Or is it slow? Useless! So this road eye patches on last night, hoping it does wonders to my eyes because I'm so tired. We need sunscreen kasi guys, ang init. Well, we're in the desert. But look at my view. Orange in the desert. Period. So excited to see Sabrina today and Beanie. Alam niyo naman, hindi ako coquette girl. Wait, that shade match? So I'm going for very vintage, 90s, man-child Sabrina today. Kalma lang tayo sa makeup but babawi tayo sa fit. Ang ganda dito, it's pretty sunny in the morning but it gets really cold at night. I feel like I'm gonna be freezing, pero tiis ganda girl. Hindi ko pa pala nasabi sa inyo sino kasama ko. Guys, I'm with Ate Ella and Ashley. Ashley Garcia ha. Dalawa yung Ashley na friend ko ngayon nasa LA. Don't worry, makakasama ko rin si Ashley D sa festival. Magkahiwalay lang kami ng bahay. Yung kwento behind it kung bakit kami yung nagkasama-sama, malalaman niyo sa vlog ko. I'm gonna add some freckles. Sana maging masaya yung first ever Coachella ko para babalik tayo next year. Also super excited and pumped for Beanie today. Guys, thank you. Thank you for bringing me here. I can't be here if wala yung supporters ko, so I love you guys. Ooh, makeup is giving! Baga wala pa man din pero buo na oh. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, the time zones is king me up. Hirap mag-post ng gabing-gabi dito tapos umaga dyan. Don't worry, I'm gonna get all the contents for you guys. One size para hindi nagagalaw yung makeup natin. This beat though. Oh my god. Latina. Very bomb siya. I'm ready. I'm so ready. Still don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair, so stay tuned for that. And I'm gonna do a get dressed with me, so see you later. Mwah.